let's talk about my boat. It's a 7.7 metre by 2 metre wide full carbon fibre hull. She's a Woodvale design, so it's a proven ocean rowing boat design, and she's made up of a combination of 5 and 8 mil foam core. She's decked out with all of the latest Simrad gear, so my VHF radio, handheld radio, chart plotter. I've got the NSS7 Evo 3 chart plotter, and then I have the autopilot, the AP44, and the tiller pilot 22, the TP22. Now I have become very reliant on my tiller pilot, and have a spare as well. I do have one for redundancy, but this little baby that I've got going right now, I call her Angel. She is my angel, and I love her to bits. So as I've discovered, my foot steering is not ideal, and I fight with the rudder, or the rudder fights with me. In a sea like this, it would be horrendous if I had to foot steer. And these are things that you don't realise until you're out in the real stuff, you know, like training around Sydney. Didn't really notice it, and obviously didn't feel the need to rectify anything. So if I was rowing another ocean, yes, I would change a fair few things that have become like an engineering kind of masterpiece. And as for my water maker, thanks to the guys at Southern Seas, John, Ray and Mike, I have the Survivor E40, the Catadine, and she's been working like a dream as well. Other equipment on board is what else do I have? I'm just looking around my boat. They're the main pieces, to be honest. So yeah, so far so good. I have approximately 840 miles to run before I finish. So we started at 3,000. I'm down to 840 on day 46, and this is my office today.